here's something that I've managed to do so far with this Trafalgar page. Just a quick update. So I fixed the services part. I think we'll learn how to do this better because this was quite, I would say, bulky way to do it. I had to adjust every image separately to look like this because they were getting stretched and all the margins also did individually. So I think there's probably a better way. I have not found it yet, but I think we'll cover that. And another part that I'm gonna be working on now for this project is actually the once it loads, I'll show you. But as it is loading, I can show you the other project that we worked on last evening. So this is a page that I showed you yesterday as well. It's about the beavers, the website we're building. So last time we just had the navigation bar on the top. So we adjusted it a bit, added some animation, added what we call hero, so basically this moving image in the background. It's slowly zooming in, and added this part. So we used before and after pseudo classes, I think is how it's called, to have this interesting effect. Yeah, so nothing more. We spent quite a bit of time actually making the image in the background stretch properly. So when we make it smaller, you don't end up having scroll bars, or if we stretch it vertically, it doesn't give you scroll bar either. So basically, once you come to the page, if there's no more content, the whole page is taken by this hero part. Yeah, and coming back to the Figma project. So we did a bit of analysis in our class. So basically this part is very similar to this part. And this part is actually the same as this part, just flipped. So these parts are going to be much easier to build, I think, than, for example, this part or this part. Partly because I have a template and I have the colors and fonts and everything, and it's similar template, but at the same time it's also, I started with a top and now I have more knowledge and more skill. How weird that would sound. Only been doing this for about a week, but I feel much more confident already to be able to do this. So basically copy and tweak things, and then I think I'll try to build the footer today as well. And actually I wanted to show you the games that I was talking about. So we have this Flexbox Froggy. Let's see, what's the second task that we get? So it says, so basically this is using this flex design. And so we have to move the frog from here to its petal, and this frog from here to its petal. So we write the code here, and then they move. So that's one game to practice all of these things. Another game is called Grid Container. So yeah, so then we move. In the first exercise there was water moving to carrots so they grow. Here is poison, and we have to move it to to the weeds. So write code, it does the thing, see it work, move on to the next one. Yeah, so that's how this works. And so there are a few games that we can use to practice. I'm still working on Trafalgar page project, and with the instructor we're building this random page about beavers. So that's the update for the day. And today is Friday and we're actually gonna be working in groups, so I think that will be something interesting to talk about next time. Till then.